Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will take you with me in this beautiful morning in nature. I have this amazing sun, as you can see here. Very beautiful light. So no time to waste. Let's photograph some animals. Oh my god. It's a woodpecker. That's a good beginning of the morning. Hello, Sebastian here.
Hey Sebastian, it's Erik. I heard you made it to Olleberg. Perfect timing. There's been some interesting bird activity in the area lately. Think you could photograph at least 5 different species while you're there? I'd really appreciate it. Good luck and keep your lens ready.
Thanks, Erik. Of course I will help you out. I'll call you when I have finished the task. And another bird, and I got it. A robin. Oh, it's a squirrel. It feels like the squirrel is following me now. That is fun. Yeah, it's 2 squirrels. Okay, that was not a good idea. I scared them away. I got plenty of photos of the squirrel, so it's fine. That was actually a great photo, I think. It is a gulsparv in Swedish, and I managed to come pretty close to it, so yeah, it turned out to be some sharp photos. That is great. So yeah, let's continue. We have a bullfink over there on the ground eating.
Hey Sebastian, it's Erik again. Just saw the photos you sent in. Amazing work. Those 5 species will really help with my report. Thanks a ton. You've got a real talent for this. Take care and talk soon.
Thanks, Erik. I'm glad I could help. Yeah, it was a good idea to come here because it's a lot more activity. I managed to find a nest for a nötvecka or nuthatch. Okay, maybe let's go a little closer. Here is the best view, I think. Okay, so this is actually a better place than before because we were standing on the rock there, but now we're here. We have a little more colors in the photo, so it will turn out to be a more pleasant photo. So now we have to wait again. So that was a pretty good end on the video, photographing a nuthatch in its nest. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day, and I see you in the next video. Bye.